Fine now friends, in this video I'm talking about the Hanzo. Especially one of my friends request for me to please make a video on Hanzo, in what is the prediction in how was going the Hanzo at this time in the market, friends. And my friends compare Hanzo with the Shibano token, so let's see what's going in the Hanzo. Let's see, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you, if you are new in my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates video, friends. So friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on without any waste time. First of all, we look the current price of the Hanzo, as you can see here. And now the current price of the Hanzo is very low, so I think it's the best investment. 0.00000017 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Hanzo. As you can see here, that is the currently latest price of the Hanzo, friends. And if we look, the price changes occur in the 24 hours in the last one day in the Hanzo, so negative 15.056% the price of the Hanzo has gone wrong, but I hope that every cryptocurrency is so fast down for Hanzo. Side effects of the Hanzo is very low. For all of my viewers or of my subscribers to please buy Hanzo, and I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. And as you can see here, the 24 hours volume 2,87,918 is the 24 hours volume, as you can see here, friends. Let's see, my friends, the more about the Hanzo. As you can see here, the price chart now this time the current situation and they fast down, but I hope with the passage of time they will become positive and they will give you good amount of profit. As you can see here, that is the last 7-day price chart of the Hanzo. You are seeing from the previous last 1 week the price going down, but at time now the last changes occur in the Hanzo, they goes positive, so I really like Hanzo at this time and they are ready for the moon. So very soon my prediction about Hanzo is 100% positive, because after a fast there is a jump. So now this time the Hanzo also fast down and now it's time to take a jump, friends. So personally I suggest for all of you to please invest in a Hanzo. And what's your prediction? Please also really love Hanzo to see the price chart of the Hanzo, friends. So I really recommend for everyone Hanzo, friends. And there is the more details about Hanzo you can read. Stop the video, can read easily. And remember that please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates about Hanzo, friends. Same the trading volume also I told you about. Now that is the latest update which I show you in this video. Click the subscribe button and if you have any type of question about Hanzo, so please share in the comment box. I will try to answer your question, but you have to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.